Before replacing any water heater element, proper safety preparation is essential. We'll cover the critical safety steps and tools needed for a successful Rheem water heater element replacement. Step 1 is absolutely critical. Turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker. Never work on electrical components with power connected. This prevents electrical shock and potential injury. Next, shut off the cold water inlet valve to stop water flow into the heater. Then open a hot water faucet elsewhere in your house to relieve pressure in the system. This prevents water from spraying out when you remove components. You'll need to drain the tank to a level below the element you're replacing. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom and run it to a suitable drain location. Some experienced technicians may attempt a quick element swap to minimize water loss, but full draining is the safest approach. Gather these essential tools before starting: a replacement heating element with matching voltage and wattage, an element wrench typically 1.5 inches, screwdrivers, Teflon tape for sealing threads, a voltmeter for safety checks, and a garden hose for draining. Understanding your water heater system is important. Most electric water heaters have two heating elements, an upper and lower element. The upper element typically heats first, then the lower element continues the heating process. Always ensure your replacement element matches the original voltage and wattage specifications. With power disconnected, water supply shut off, pressure relieved, and all tools gathered, you're now safely prepared for element replacement. Remember, safety first, proper tools, and matching specifications are key to a successful repair. With safety measures in place, begin by draining the water heater tank. Connect a garden hose to the drain valve at the bottom of the heater and run the other end to a suitable drain location. Remove the access panel and insulation to expose the heating element. Before proceeding, use a voltmeter to verify there is no electrical power reaching the element terminals. Before disconnecting any wires, carefully note or photograph the wiring configuration. This ensures correct reassembly. The wiring diagram shows the typical 240-volt connection pattern for upper and lower elements. Disconnect the wires from the heating element terminals. Use the element wrench to loosen and remove the old heating element. Install the new element with Teflon tape on the threads and tighten until snug. Reconnect the wires to the element terminals following your documentation. Open the cold water inlet valve to refill the tank. Open a hot water faucet to release air from the system. Inspect for leaks around the heating element and tighten if necessary. Replace all protective covers and insulation. Turn the power back on at the circuit breaker. After 1 hour, verify hot water production and check for any leaks.